Shit, look clean to me.
Yo, ABCD Battle League. I need Flint to make some motherfucking noise in this bitch.
Yeah! Let's go, Bird. What we doing?
Want to see him, McCody? Act like you know me. Click pile if your shit file. Of course,
oh, shit.
McCody.com, all that good shit.
Oh, shit.
We got some dope MCs. MCs got a crazy battle. Battler to my right, please introduce yourself.
It's BadLife Bird in this bitch. WWF, ABCD. We in this motherfucker.
All right.
Yep.
All right, y'all make some noise. That was good. Yeah. She said the fucking league we rapping on. Yes, sir. All right. Battler to my left, please introduce yourself.
Mackaville with the scale, Yacktown in this bitch. Flint, what's the word?
What's up?
Hey, look, I need all y'all to do me a favor real quick. Follow me on Instagram at Myron. MACKK, Are y'all ready?
Fuck this nigga up, Bird.
God damn. Who said that?
Corso.
Who?
Yeah.
Corso. Of course. Of Corso.
Come on.
Now, you stepped on piece of soap-shaped body bitch. This about to be a piece of cake. Cheatham said, cook something small, I got an easy bake. Get suited with a bald head like TD Jakes outside your building cooking shit. I'm TDH.
Come on.
In the shootout.
Talk that Flint shit.
Outside your building cooking shit. I'm TDH. When I was in the shootout, ducking bullets from smoking straps, you were somewhere in the Flint basement with 00 smoking crack. Oh. Talking about, I was the prime queen. 00 like, bitch, you ain't shit but the prime fiend. And we got the Pontiac nigga with the hardest flow versus the bitch who looked like everybody from the Arthur show. This bitch got like this many baby daddies with all kind of kids. And this bum ass bitch be kicking niggas out her mama crib. That's how it is. You ain't decent enough. Just another ugly bitch conceited as fuck. 00, you gotta be cheating or what? She can't have no more babies. Them STDs be eating them up. In today's society, the real nigga neglect is true. What you got about like 5 kids, no job, want all the love and the respect from you? Bird, you can't even get no money from me. Man, this nigga 00 is about as dumb as can be. Now, for you make any lies about me, get your facts straight. And worry about why 00 been cheating on you with blackface. You fat face, ugly. Worry about why 00 been cheating on you with blackface. You fat face, ugly bitch. The hammer talk, blow. Leave Bird in the middle of the floor. Atlanta Hawks. A drought came on the earth. It got scary, Bird. I was waxing niggas. 33 for the Larry Bird.
Okay.
Shit. I was waxing niggas, 33 for the Larry Bird, walk up, shoot up the house, Bird leaking, glass shattering. I'm Lim when he caught Bird cheating. When I get a little close, it make Bird nervous, get pistol whipped. This shit nastier than Bird twerking. I'm kind of famous. People speak of me in third person. Rick and Morty, they don't give a shit about this Bird person. You and your nigga ugly. You and your nigga ugly. Y'all some fucking weirdos. I see why you go with a nigga named 00. Y'all a couple zeros. Ugly bitch. There's something you ain't never seen, bird. Pink Ranger. I pull up with a machine, bird. Like leave, bird. Like leave, bird. I promise. It'll get real here. I know death. Try to cheat him and get put in a wheelchair. And still there. You see a lot of cans dumping. You could lose your wig like Joanna Man Duncan. It's something. It's something about you ugly bitches. I got this one theory. Like, fuck. But after I come, you better not come near me. Fuck out my face. Fuck out my face. Can somebody take this bitch far? I get pissed. They're animated with death like Pixar. For some reason, I think of trash when you spit bars. Word of advice, you ain't gonna never make no big cards. We just wanna fucking leave. You gonna always get scarred. You ain't shit but a 2 a.m. bitch with my dick hard. I just dumped my girl about a week ago. I'm hard to deal with. Every bitch in this room cheating on they nigga right now, and that's some real shit. Yeah. Let's go. Y'all lie. Y'all hoes. Y'all selfish. Deceiving.
Talk to him, Mack.
Hey, look, I just dumped my girl about a week ago.
Yeah.
Fuck that bitch. Hold on. I just dumped my slut ass bitch about a week ago. I'm hard to deal with. Every bitch in this room cheating on they nigga right now, and that's some real shit. Y'all lie, y'all hoes, y'all selfish, deceiving. They want you to believe in them, but give you nothing to believe in. But fellas, do you know what I believe in? I believe in you don't want to cook, I could go to my side bitch house to fucking eat. I believe in if you stress me out, I should be able to stay gone for a fucking week. I believe in if you stress me out, I should be able to punch you in your fucking teeth.
I believe in
if a nigga pay all the bills, he can fucking cheat.
I swear to God, bro.
I just dumped my ugly ass girlfriend about a week ago. Hard to deal with. Every bitch in this room cheating on they nigga right now, and that's some real shit.
And then
y'all lie. Y'all lie. Y'all hoes. Y'all selfish. Deceiving. They want you to believe in them, but give you nothing to believe in.
Swear to God.
Do you know what I believe in?
What you believe in, my nigga?
I believe in you don't want to cook, I could go to my side bitch house to fucking eat. I believe in if you stress me out, I should be able to stay gone for a fucking week.
I believe in
it should be legal for me to punch you in your fucking teeth.
I believe in
man pay all the bills, he can fucking cheat.
I believe in
we at the club, your own drinks you should pay for.
I believe in
I don't want that baby, go get that abortion if I say so.
I believe in
if my bitch get out of line, I'ma handle that.
I believe in
Lord, please take Jada Pinkett and give us Kevin Samuels back.
I swear to God.
I bet when you hitting that wheel from the back.
Come on, Bird.
Let's go.
Bitch, I bet when you hitting that wheel from the back, you use a lot of body force. Power pumps when you bring your body forth. Long hard strokes to that nigga get a Charlie horse. I said long hard strokes to that nigga get a Charlie horse. Bitch, don't be silly. I can snap back too, bitch. I ain't come from Philly. I wish the fucking Will would try to jump in. I'ma up the chop and pop a Willie. I keep the dirty Mac.
What we doing?
That was fire. Come on, talk to him, Bird.
I keep the dirty Mac. I'm a wild bitch, a loud pitch. if I don't get my fucking point across. Gunplay on Wild Bill, a solemn vow. Bitch, you jump up, I'ma lay you out, nigga, you flaw. You worried about Dub fucking me raw, and he fucked your mama, but didn't tell nobody like the HIPAA law. Your style like the HIPAA law, your style is big. I'm wild as shit, you not allowed to be around this pit. I left the piff, he froze stiff like Nippy. I'm a problem child with the shits, or a troll on Facebook. I want fucking Mary Jack, you met your match. And if I tell you to eat this pussy and you a scaredy cat, I'ma slide with the strap boy dressed in black. I'm Miss Mary Mackk.
Talk to him, Bird!
And let your fucking mama jump in. I'ma stop that whole breathing, bitch. Give me a reason. The only time that bitch better jump in my round is me and Dub in the threesome.
That was fucking fire, bro. You said it happened in Flint.
Headshot. Bitch, all I'm saying is red. It ain't shit to shoot Mackk again if pimpin' ain't dead.
Ooh.
Yeah, we really look alike. Is we twins? Fine little big bitch got me thinking heaven. What girl, about 6'5"? It's only right I give Mackk 11.
Ooh.
What?
Fuck that. That was fire. That was fire.
Bitch, we look fit. I'm about to fuck the scene up. Strong move like John Cena. If I raise arms, let's dance. I'm spilling blood all over Mackk Arena. So you think I won't fucking address shit?
That was fire. That was fire.
Mackk Arena.
That was fire.
Let's go.
So you think I won't fucking address shit? Oh, we finna play fucking crazy today? You ain't finna keep playing on my bitch top? Knowing you got a fucking baby on the way. You trying to keep that shit a secret. Talking about if she mine, I'ma do whatever it takes. Well, cats out the bag, bitch. This nigga finna have a baby by Shakes. No cap.
Is that a fact?
I just found out about this shit my fucking self. I asked you about that shit, nigga, you lied. He in the background trying to hide every time Shakes was shaking tits on the live. So you ain't trying to kick her in her fucking stomach? Cause she couldn't come up with her portion? Held her hostage, tried to make her drink bleach? When they say they banning abortions? I can't wait till your fucking daughter got it.
Shit! Talk to him, Bird!
I can't wait till your fucking daughter born. I'ma pick her up gently, place that precious baby right up in my hands, then I'ma lift her ass up and I'ma drop her on her fucking head. I guess I'm supposed to feel fucking honored I got Mackk Myron. Fucking nigga, whoop-de-doo, goofy-hoo. I don't give a fuck about this pussy. Baby on me, nigga, coochie-coo. Go! You want what?
Instagram. He said Instagram.
There was?
Instagram.
Was that camera
You
on?
want what? Fat ass bitch, I wish I would support. Your ass stank, shoes lean. You uglier than Depp and her divorce. You think this fucking hoe in my blood. Kept speaking on me, then you ran. Said my name 5 times, battling Dub. I popped the fuck up like Candyman. I'll plug you
That was fire.
make a big display. Oh, you a class act. You like the kid in play. I don't fucking play games.
That was fire.
I'm not a bitch you can toy around, cause if the pimps is up, then bitch it's time to put a hold down. What you said? Two can play this game, and how you knew you was wrong. Headshot, eyes popping out the sockets like Popeye Jones. I can't fuck this stuff. You walk around like you can't be touched. You need to swallow your pride like your mama swallowed nut.
Ooh.
Sick.
Hey, mama, that's my fault.
No. You too sweet. Wide ass take 2 seats, who beat? You think I give a fuck about what you did to Dub? Soon as that bitch lost, I put the hoe out for 2 weeks. pussy too. You think I give a flying fuck what you did to Dub? Soon as I found out he lost, I put that hoe out for 2 weeks. Told that nigga. You was only gonna talk about me, shit. We know who the star is. And since he was driven by stupidity, I told him go sleep in the car. Bitch. Speaking of sleeping, I keep it on me, nigga. I don't pull it for show. If I pulled up Mackk suit, trust me, nigga, you gonna be the first to go. What's that fucking smell, nigga? Nigga, you shit it? Leave you stinking like a solid fart, nigga. They don't even know who did it. You know why Smack don't acknowledge you? Same reason your daddy don't. Talking about the Mackk and Smack. But ain't that the same shit your mama on? You ain't known for nothing.
Shit.
You ain't known for nothing. Your daddy? If we alone, I'm fucking.
Is that a fact?
Your daddy?
Talk your shit, man. Mike might knock her ass down.
Knock your ass down.
Mike might knock your ass down.
You ain't known for nothing. Your daddy, if we alone, I'm fucking. I let him swim in the pussy. Now he won't leave me alone, and I'm the ugly duckling. I ain't come here to lecture.
Come on. Talk.
I ain't come here to lecture. I ain't come here to lecture. Your mama eat Dub wood like a termite when he let her. Yeah, your mama be all over Dub Lord. She one nibble away from Woody Woodpecker, Dookie Freak.
Dookie Freak.
Dookie Freak. Everybody this nigga talking about Dookie, but then you too damn old to water tissue balls in your booty.
Talk that shit, Bird. Talk to that nigga, Bird.
Why your pussy stank now? I should have known you was gonna talk bad about me, bitch. We past grown. That's why I tracked you down. Every address last known. I run a blade for this mission. You dissed me mad long. Your tongue got cut in out like Joey Gladstone. I hate a dirty Mac. Talk to me, I talk back. I'm trying to game you up, big. You only good with the sauce, Mac. You too hype, fiend. Beat me, you are not clean. Finish this battle will take care of your hygiene. You need to get your Spike Lee on to do the right thing. Bitch, you give yourself meat injections. Everything your doctor treat infections. I'm talking herpes, gonorrhea, yeast infections. You get your house infested. I'm talking serious bugs. You a bad bug too, bitch. You ain't my period blood.
You nasty, man. Nasty, man.
Bitch, you ain't my period blood. I say shit. You don't know about the demon you awakened. I ain't mean to smoke you, Mac. I was vaping. Your mama, I got no problem with her. She gargle water nuts. She a bottom feeder. I love your daddy. He fat and gushy. I like it mushy. I told that nigga blow me down when he killed the pussy. Right. This cat is prey.
Got it.
This cat is prey. My mood bad, no nap today. Get your life snatched away. We're talking out the side of your neck like you smoked a pack a day. You want your dick up? You want your
That
dick
was fire. Come on. Talk to him.
You want your dick sucked? You want your dick sucked?
Yes.
Get your stomach out with your dick up. Put your stomach out of your dick up. I can swallow that motherfucker doing a hiccup. You dick up fingers.
Damn. Bring that shit back, Bird. Bring it back.
I said your dick a stinger. Your mama's a hoe or pussy linger. She tried to suck up Dub till I cut that bitch short like blackface finger. Let me finish. Let me finish. Cheat him. Next battle, I need 2 racks. I know I was gone for a minute like Stella. Shit, I had to get my groove back.
Facts.
Motherfuckers know I'm a gladiator, or the bars that I bring. Everything about me precious. I'm a lord in the ring. I got a brave heart like Mel Gibson. You just die hard like Bruce Willis. Shoot you in your spine first. The headshot is no feeling. I ain't even want this fucking battle again. But you smoke on me too much when you beneath me. And I love Mackk, I really do. But I kill this bitch dead before I let him beat me.
Yes, sir.
This was a stressing fight. I prayed over this bitch and blessed this fight.
What else?
Then I laid this fat bitch burdens down at the altar. He accepted Christ.
Is that it?